Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get my WhatsApp link. So let's get started. So if you want to access your WhatsApp's link, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. Now you can use two steps. The first one is just simply tap on the plus icon. This is on the bottom right. The plus green colored icon, just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can just simply share your contacts. Now in order to share your contacts, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, then tap on invite a friend. After doing that, here you can see guys, you just have to tap on copy and you will copy your WhatsApp's link. After copying it, just simply select a person that you would like to share your link to and then just send it. And after sending it, now if someone taps on this, then they will be directed to your chat where they can message you. So this was the first step, and the second one is just simply type in wa.me/plus and then enter your country code. My country code is 977. Your country code might be different. Just simply enter that and then enter your mobile number. After entering your mobile number, just simply tap on that arrow and send it. After sending that, now you have successfully sent your profile's link. And now if someone taps on that link, then they will be directed to your WhatsApp where they can chat with you. So just simply use these steps and you can just easily invite someone on your WhatsApp by using a link. So that's it guys, this is how to get my WhatsApp link. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.